Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and I have so many hand gestures, and I just bought a 4K TV from Wish, the Wish app. So I wanted to bring the Wish app to everybody's attention right now because they do have some good deals. It's just not an app for random little miscellaneous objects. Well, in the past I've bought little random things and I'll pan throughout my room on what those things are, like, you know, little Neandroid, like little Nintendo figures and everything of that sort, and you know, little household things, I don't know, toothbrush holder, but I've never bought a big purchase on there, a big electronic purchase, and you can see it's right behind me. It's actually a Samsung, the ung's coming out so weird now, 4K TV. And you guys will not believe how much I paid for it. I will keep that as a little secret so you guys can watch my video. And I'll share a tip or two that I know about Wish and how you can maximize your dollar on Wish. So let me unbox it and I'll do a little voiceover when we unbox. So the details on the shipping, it does ship in its original box with all the original accessories inside of it. The company that this individual seller chose, or as I guess company chose, was Pilot. If you're not familiar with Pilot, it's one of the, I guess, lesser known companies, but they do freight shipping to your home. And amazingly, the shipping price for this TV was $1, and this is a 55-inch TV, so there's some weight to it. So to have $1 shipping for this type of item that's like not on Amazon Prime or eBay Fast Sell or Fast Ship, that's a pretty good deal. And I ordered this originally on March 23rd, 2018, and it came on March 28th, so it took about 5 days. One of the main, I guess, selling points for Wish is that it's probably listed everywhere. You've probably seen your Facebook ads. Your phone's always listening to us if you're trying to find for a certain item. But if you're willing to wait 1 to 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, then the prices are 70 to 90% less than what you'd find on other websites. And with this TV, that statement was generally true, but it fortunately came in less than 1 week. So here's the rest of the TV. Inside you can see all of the secure foam padding, and don't mind my light situation. This was before I bought my new set of lights for recording, so you're gonna see the graininess and just how awful the lighting looks, but you can tell the TV's in perfect condition. There's no scratches, no visible blemishes. Wow, that's a lot of blah 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 blah. But it does come with a little border tape that's just a pleasure to peel off any brand new electronic item. So I've been sitting on this recording for a while to post, and there'll be a little bit more of an explanation after this little unboxing is done. But for the next part of this unboxing, I'll do a little demonstration of the TV to see if it's functional, to see if it works. I was actually scared out of my mind during the process of this recording, and I was scared that the TV wouldn't turn on. I have seen some horror stories on YouTube about buying a TV off Wish, but I think it just really varies, kind of like on eBay, on who the seller is, and it's either hit or miss. So ideally, just look at the reviews, look at the seller reviews, look at the item reviews, and that should be a good indicator on if it's a good buy or not. So, you know, obviously, since it's a 4K TV, it most likely is a smart TV, so it has all these built-in apps. So this is YouTube. You saw my cable box earlier. It was actually on the Lakers, which is kind of ironic or kind of convenient, I guess, for me, because at the very end of this video, I have a little message regarding Wish and the Lakers, and I think it's a good message to listen to if you're planning on buying something on Wish in the future or near future or far future. But yeah, so my last test is actually going to be turning on my PlayStation 4 Pro. This is actually kind of the reason why I picked up this TV. It was mainly for a PS4 Pro, and you know, coincidentally I bought that PS4 Pro on Wish as well, and I can't share the price, but let's just say it was south of $150 for the whole PS4 Pro, maybe even far less than that. So I'll give you my tips and hints at the end or after this video on how to save even more on Wish. As you can see right there, it's in 4K. So that unboxing was actually done 4 months ago, and I wanted to make sure the TV still worked today before I posted this video. And I just want to let you guys know that it still works today. I use it for my PS4 Pro. You saw it right there, you saw on the little old video. It's advertised as 4K TV. It was sold as 4K TV, and I received it, and it's 4K TV. So with that said, I'm going to share a few little things. We're going to go on the Wish website, and I'm going to try to blur out my information if I accidentally scroll through there and show you guys how much I actually paid for. I do a lot of hand gestures. Actually, I was watching my old videos and I was like, man, I do a lot of things with my hands. I just don't want to be like this and be like, just be so still and just talk to you guys. But anywho, my glasses are fogging up because it's really hot today. I'll tell you guys how much I actually paid for this. This TV generally runs for maybe around $649 to $699. Sometimes I see it for $799. And then during the holiday sales, I see it drop down to as low as $499, $449, once in a while $399. And the base price of this TV on Wish is lower than all of those things, but I paid even less than the base price on Wish. So let's check it out. I never go on Wish on my computer, it's always on my phone, but this is just for the sake of the video to show you how much I actually paid for this item. Don't mind my screen recording app, it's making it seem like I have a dial-up connection, but I don't. I live in today, I live in the future. But let's scroll down and see how much I actually paid. The base price at the time of when I paid for it was $315, which is already a steal. The lowest price I've ever seen at like a Best Buy or Fry's is $399. But even better, my tip is you can stack coupons on Wish. You can pile them up and use them all at once. Majority of the time, sometimes they get kind of smart. But that $1 for shipping is already such a great deal. Add a promo code, I think that's probably 20% off for $47.40. 2 of them plus a 5% discount. I ended up only paying with shipping $205.40 for a 55-inch Samsung 4K TV. I'm going to scroll up and actually show you what the actual price of this same TV is right now on Wish. So if you go on Wish, it's only $342. That shows the retail price of $698 right next to it, and that is more than half off. So, you know, if you guys are interested, check it out, and maybe you guys can stack up some promo codes, and maybe perhaps you can get it for even cheaper than what I paid for. Make sure to keep an eye out on this, or keep an eye out for whatever item you want on Wish, because the prices do fluctuate and they can either go higher or lower, so just make sure you always keep an eye on it. Stack those promo codes and try to get a good deal. So with that said, I have a brief little disclaimer, a brief little message at the end regarding the Lakers and Wish. Why I wanted to bring up Wish right now is because last year the NBA officially allowed jersey sponsors, and I'm from Southern California, so I bleed that purple and gold. And with the recent signing of LeBron James, the Lakers jersey sponsor for the past year was Wish. It was, this part of their jersey. And my fear is that with LeBron signing with the Lakers and more people already watching it, there'll be more televised games nationally, and Wish, which is the jersey promoter, or the jersey sponsor, it'll blow up even more. And the prices that I got for this TV, and I actually picked up a PlayStation VR for 25% of the price of what it's selling for right now. I'm scared that it's just going to inflate and they're going to be able to capitalize a little bit. So, mind you, this is not a sponsorship or a paid promotion. I just like finding great deals, and hopefully my little tips can help you guys out. Great. Bye-bye.